Ayan mga kaibigan, natapos na nga ang prosesyon ng Biyernes Santo at nakabalik na ang mga imahen dito sa harap ng simbahan ng Romano Katoliko. Okay. At kasama natin ngayon ang direktor ng DSWD Central Office, si Mrs. Porfiria Manrique Bernandez. Magandang gabi po, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, ano po yung masasabi natin sa Biyernes Santo po ng bayan natin ng Pasuquin?
Well, it's very solemn and it's well participated by the parishioners, and of course everybody is attracted of the new development, having maraming statwa, maraming exposition ng mga bulto, and just show that it's well cooperative ang mga tao at supported ng mga attribution para sa atin.
Okay, ma'am, paano po natin may ihahambing yung celebration ng Semana Santa noong panahon po ninyo at sa panahong kasalukuyan?
Well, nung unang panahon yan, dahil matanda na rin tayo, no? Parang kukunti lang, no? At saka talagang kukunti rin naman na ipong na mga bulto. Ang mga nandyan lang mga Apo Santa Maria, Magdalena, San Pedro, mga ganon. Pero ngayon marami na.
Marami nang naidagdag.
Yes, marami nang naidagdag.
Maraming salamat, ma'am. Thanks for the time at salamat din sa rekomendasyon niyo para mas mapabuti pa natin at mas mapaganda yung Semana Santa natin. And we hope next year makikita ulit tayo.
For sure, I always wear my honor.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po.
Okay.
Sabi nga nila, the doctor is in. So, kasama ko ngayon, mga kaibigan, si Dr. Napoleon Domingo. Doc, good evening. Kababayan, welcome po dito sa Pasuquin. At gusto ko lang pong malaman kung paano nyo ihahambing yung celebration ng Semana Santa noon kapanahonan po ninyo at sa panahon ngayon.
Isip ko lang, it's a very different perspective. Basically, it's like spectacular.
Yes.
That's it. That's only one word that can describe it.
Yes.
The olden days, sa Bali.
Simple.
Simple. Now, it's really something. We have evolved to something to behold.
Okay. Salamat, Doc. Thank you so much. I will see you again next year. Ngayon naman, my friends, papunta tayo ng Europe kasi kasama ko po si Mrs. Corazon Sylvia Velasco, Barangay McDonald. Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Yes. Bale, ilang Semana Santa na po yung na-miss nyo dito sa Pasuquin?
Well, the last time I was here was 2008, but it was not like this before. This is the first time I have seen so many images, and I'm so thrilled, I'm so glad that I'm here today, tonight.
Okay, so
Because it's awesome, absolutely. I just can't explain it. It's very touching, and I wish I could come back again next year.
wow,
Yes.
that's a good news. And ma'am, how do you compare the way Pasuquin celebrate the Holy Week yesterday, okay, and today?
Yesterday, when I was little, Pasuquin Easter week was not as nice as this one. There were only Nazareno, Blessed Virgin Mary, then
Magdalena or Veronica.
Kami ako Veronica. But this time, there were 19, I think 19 in all when I was counting them. And I think this time today, the generation is more advanced than before. And I'm so happy for them that they are well organized. And I'm thrilled to say that it is such an experience and I will never forget the rest of my life.
Yes, thank you so much, Tita Corazon. And as a supporter of this Holy Week in Pasuquin, I hope next year magkakaroon ka din ng isang imahen.
Well, I hope I'm going to tell my husband right about this and my children. And I hope and pray that it will come very, very soon.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thanks for the time, Tita Corazon.
Thank you, darling.
Ngayon naman, pamilyar ang makakasama natin ngayon kasi when our friends, like gay friends going out, na-mention siya as Miss Aruba. Okay, right? Complete name po ninyo, ma'am, is Guadalupe Dalida. A native din po ng Pasuquin. Tita Guadalupe, ano po yung masasabi ninyo sa development ng Semana Santa dito sa Pasuquin as compared noong unang panahon?
Ay, mas maganda. Tsaka, maraming tao talaga. At saka yung maganda yung mga, ano natin, mga bulto ba? Yung mga santo. So, mas ratio. Good talaga.
Okay. Salamat po. Thank you po.